My name is Vivienne Hall and I'm a fertility consultant working in London. When I was a teenager, I was always fascinated by the health profession. I was at school in the 70s, and probably that was one of the prime times for the beginning of the National Health Service and the excellence which is provided by it. I originally wanted to do nursing, and then was convinced by some friends and teachers to try medical school, which I did. I went to Bart's Medical School. I completely thoroughly enjoyed it. I've never changed or never wanted to be anything other than being a doctor. I'm still very interested in the NHS, but because I moved abroad for quite some while, I left the NHS and now work solely in the private sector. But I love being a doctor because I'm actually quite a curious person. I'm curious about people. I like to get to know them. I'm a good listener. I like to ask questions and get to the bottom of things. And some friends sometimes tell me that if I wasn't a doctor, I'd probably be a detective, which would be quite fun as well. So I enjoy all aspects of medicine. And I particularly wanted to become a fertility specialist because, having done obstetrics and gynecology as a main specialization, I thought that fertility includes all the things that interest me in terms of genetics and endocrinology, and reproductive medicine, really, which is part of general health. So that's why I became a doctor. When I was younger, I used to love the adrenaline and the excitement and the pressure of A&E departments and labour ward. But as I've grown a little bit older, I actually really cherish developing relationships with patients and the chance to meet them again and again and follow up in a very personal way on a one-to-one basis, with which is good for me and obviously very good for the patients as well, to get to know their doctor. So I've actually over the years kept in touch with many of my patients and their families, which is probably the most rewarding bit. And of course, the baby being born after treatment is just the welcome thing that I look forward to every single day.